One of the most famous groups of K-pop like Wonder Girls, Miss A, GOT7, Twice, Stray Kids and ITZY are formed by JYP Entertainment. In today's video, I am going to talk about JYP Entertainment, its basic audition qualifications and categories, and also most importantly its pros and cons, so that you all can get an idea of which company you should choose to give audition for. First, let's see what JYP Entertainment really is. JYP Entertainment is a South Korean multinational entertainment company and a record label which started in the year 1997. This company was started by JY Park. This is one of the biggest entertainment company which has existed in South Korea. The main work of this company is to record labels, found talent, produce and publish music.
Hi. Okay.
Now let's talk about its audition qualification. Age limit. There is no age limit for audition. One of the best thing about JYP audition is that you can give audition at any age. Gender limit. There is no gender limit. Anyone of any gender is allowed to give audition. Nationality limit. No nationality limit. Again, it is a very good thing for people who want to become a K-pop idol but are not Korean. Anyone of any nationality can give audition, even if you are Indian, Bangladeshi or from any other country. Its audition categories. You can give audition in 5 categories. These are vocal, dance, rap, model and acting. Let's talk about them one by one. Vocal. You can sing any pop or K-pop song. They will mainly focus on your singing capacity based on breathing, pitch, rhythm, pronunciation and technique. Dance. You can perform any self-choreographed dance, dance cover, hip-hop, b-boy, popping, locking, etc. They will focus on your flexibility, rhythmical sense, posture, dance step and stage presence. Rap. For rapping, you can perform any cover song, self-written song. The thing that they will be focusing is on your technique based on clear diction and second is your sense of rhythm. Acting. You can act any TV, stage or film acting. They will judge you on the basis of your vocalization, breath control, script and emotional delivery along with stage manner. Model. You have to walk and pose. They will judge you on the basis of your ability to pose with your own style with confidence and originality. Now let's talk about the most awaited part of this video, pros and cons of JYP Entertainment. First, let's look into the positive side, means pros. Main priority is mental health. The thing that I love most about JYP Entertainment is that its main priority is the mental health of its idols. A lot of idols suffer from mental issues like depression and anxiety because of the height and amount of work they have to do every day with less than 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Mental health is not a joke. It is a thing that needs to be taken care of and I think JYP Entertainment understands this very well. JYP Entertainment provide proper care for this idol mental as well as physical health. Do you remember the time when JYP provided a good amount of time for Mina to recover from her anxiety and come back when she was healthy and ready for it? Accept foreigners the most out of the big 3 companies. JYP Entertainment is the company who accepts the most foreigner as his trainee out of YG and SM Entertainment. JYP Entertainment has no gender, age or nationality limit in its audition, which gives a big chance to people who want to become a K-pop idol but are not Korean. So even if you are Indian or from any other country, you can give audition for JYP Entertainment. Strong market in Korea and Japan. You must have noticed that most of the group that debut in the JYP get successful, especially in Korea and Japan. That's because JYP Entertainment has the strongest market in both of these countries. A plus point for group or solo artists who debut on the big company is that it doesn't take time and much effort for them to grab attention from the public and showcase their ability and talent, as the company already have a large number of people already looking forward for the new artists. Whereas idols from smaller companies need to put more effort in first grabbing the attention and then showcasing their talent. Defend their artists when they get targeted. JYP Entertainment is one of those companies who most of the time take stand for their artists and defend them when they get targeted. I have seen JYP standing for its idols. Let its idol join game shows and other talk shows on their own. One of the most fun thing about being an idol is appearing on game shows where you can showcase your other ability rather than just your talent of singing and dancing or rapping. While on talk shows, you can express yourself just the way you are and can show your true personality to the world. Both of these things can help you build a strong and loyal fan base. You can gather the people who love you for who you really are. Let idol write and produce their own songs. One of the things that I have noticed in JYP artists is that they're allowed to write and produce their songs on their own, whereas a lot of companies don't allow their idols to write and produce their songs by themselves. The freedom of writing and producing songs really means a lot to artists. Just imagine you have plenty of amazing song ideas and you want your fans to listen to it. You want to share abilities, but you are not allowed to do so. Very less favoritism among the members of the same group. I think JYP seems to show the least favoritism among the members of the same group. Do you remember the situation where Jennie from Blackpink got a lot of hate because people thought that YG was showing favoritism towards Jennie, ignoring the other members? People were hating Jennie by calling her YG princess. Jennie don't deserve the hate she got. Even no one deserved the hate for the thing they never did. Provide good education to his trainees and make sure that they do good in school. A lot of you ask me if you can continue your studies after becoming a trainee, then the answer is yes, you can. You can still continue your schooling after becoming a trainee in JYP Entertainment. In fact, JYP Entertainment will make sure that your studies are not falling behind because of your training. JYP Entertainment also provides international schools to their non-Korean trainees so that they can study and understand the topic in the language they are familiar and comfortable with. So if you want to continue your studies and get a high school degree, then I think you should consider JYP Entertainment for training. Pay more value to talent and personality rather than only beauty. This point was a little tricky for me to understand it because in most of JYP groups I have seen very beautiful and unique faces of all time. For example, take TWICE, all the members are visual themselves. They all have unique features and beautiful faces. But I understand that even though they are pretty and beautiful, but they are a part of TWICE because of their talent. Plus point is their different yet amazing personalities. If they don't have the talent and capability they have in them, then it is maybe possible that they might not debut as a member of TWICE. In conclusion, if you have talent and nice personality, then you are fit for JYP. Provides its idol some good stage outfit. If you are one of those person who love to perform on stage with fabulous outfit, then I think you should consider JYP Entertainment as your dream company, as JYP Entertainment provides one of the most beautiful and adorable outfit to most of its idols. But as we know, everything has an exception. JYP Entertainment sometimes lacks to provide good outfit to some of the members of the same group. Take Jungyeon. She sometimes gets the least attractive outfit out of all the members. Enough of the pros, let's start with the cons. JYP idols has to go through harsh diets. TWICE Momo confessed during a live broadcast that she went to extreme method to lose weight when she was a trainee. She was told by the company to lose 7 kgs before debut no matter what. So she lost the weight in 1 week. She said, "When I was a trainee, I was told I had to lose 7 kgs no matter what. That was the only way to be on the showcase." She further said, "I didn't eat anything for the whole week and went to gym all the time. I spent all the time so there was no water in my body, and when I laid down on the bed and tried to sleep, I was scared that I wouldn't wake up again, so I suddenly started crying." She resorted to eating a cube of ice for the whole week, scared that she won't be able to stand on the showcase stage. She even feared that the cube of ice would make her fat. That's so sad that she has to go through all of this. From this we can get an idea of how harsh the diet would be that JYP idols have to follow. Sometimes become cruel with some of its idols. Sometimes, like other companies, JYP also become cruel with some of its artists. For example, he rejected JB's song because he thought it sounded foreigner. Yes, I know I said that JYP provides the freedom to its artists to write and produce their own song, but as I also said, everything has an exception. Exception is already here. One such example is Jimin. JYP Entertainment underworked Jimin by barely promoting her, making its group overwork. JYP Entertainment makes some of its groups overwork till the limit that the fans start to request the company to let their idols have some rest. Some of the groups that are most overworked in JYP Entertainment are ITZY, TWICE and Stray Kids. Actually pay a lot of attention to its idol body image. Yes, I know that I told you that you can become a JYP idol with good talent, but I also say that most of JYP idols are considered to be very beautiful, and as we all know that every good thing also hides a bad thing. JYP idols are known for their perfect body image, and I think it's become possible because of the company's effort to maintain the idol's body. But sometimes these efforts get very harsh. Let me tell you an incident related to this during 16, which was a 2015 reality girl group show created by JYP and meant to create a girl group today known as TWICE. Jihyo was also a contestant in 16. She had been a trainee for 10 years, as she has to perform well in this show to debut as an idol, but in return, it gave her a lot of stress and pressure, because of which she started eating more than she was used to before, and hence gained some weight. Both JYP and the photographer called Gio fat in front of everyone, which I don't think was right. Debut as idols underage with some inappropriate dances. Idols debuting underage mainly in teenage is a very common thing in K-pop world. But as these idols are underage and don't know how to stand up for themselves if something bad is happening, it can be because they are scared of the consequences. The company sometimes make them do not so appropriate dances according to their age. If we take JYP, then some examples are Chewie from Twice and Suzy from Wonder Girls. You can also get more information about this on internet easily. I was not at all confident on talking about this, but as I know most of you are girls and are teenagers, I thought that it was very important. I don't want to hide anything from you. I hope you guys will understand. JYP idols seem to have more health issues as compared to other companies' idols. From all the things I have told before, you all must have noticed that most of JYP idols suffer from mental health issues or from any other health issues. So maybe the main reason is because of the strict diet and the endless work they have to do every day without proper rest. That's all for the cons, guys. I have found the profit distribution of JYP Entertainment. You can see it if you want to know how the profit is distributed in JYP Entertainment. In conclusion, I think JYP Entertainment is a good company as we saw there are some pros along with some cons. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for always loving me and supporting me. Your every comment makes my day better. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.